So here we will be solving a problem regarding potential energy. So let's start the problem. The problem is, what will be the potential energy of a body of mass 6 kg if it is raised to a height of 20 meter above the surface of the earth. The G value is given 9.8 meter per second square. So here, if we want to solve this problem, then here the mass given 6 kg, height given 20 meter. Here you can see the height is 20 meter and acceleration, gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. And we have to calculate the potential energy of the problem, that means EP. We know for potential energy equation, it is EP equals to m g h. This is the equation potential energy for potential energy. So if we just put the values in this equation, we get m value 6 kg, g value 9.8 and h value 20. Now if we calculate this, we will find this value 1176 joule. Why joule? Because potential energy is a kind of energy and all energy are denoted by joule. That's it.